What's going on, YouTube? My name is Make Money Malik, and I'm here to teach you how to make money online. Now, before we get into the video, I need you to do something. I need you to like this video. I need you to ring the notification bell, and I need you to subscribe to the channel. Now, the reason I need you to do this is because I make videos teaching you how to make money online, how to become an entrepreneur, how to create a long-term business and have income coming in from multiple directions. Okay, we diversify our income on this channel, and in order for you to know when you can have another tip, trick, or just lesson about making money as an online entrepreneur, you gotta like the video, and then you gotta ring the notification bell, because when you do that, it's gonna tell you every time I drop one, every time I give you another method of making money online. And then you gotta subscribe, because that's also gonna tell you when I'm giving you more to make money off of. Okay, so do that for me. And today we're going to talk about how you can make money just by uploading files. Now, there are servers out there, and there are things that store things, and you can definitely take the things in your computer, or you can go the method that I'm going to show you later on in the video, and you can upload files, and then you can get money off of that. That's just how it works. So it might be a little unorthodox. You may be not too aware that this goes on, but I mean, it's the internet. It's a big place. So I'm here to just do all that hard labor for you, figure out where the money is, and then figure out how you can make it there. And today we're going to figure out how we can make money just by uploading files on a cloud server. All right. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I want to show you, I'm going to tell you right off the bat. I know some people just wait forever for this. I'm going to tell you right off the bat, the website you want to go to is called birdload.com. Bird as in bird, like the flying thing, and then load as in like you're loading something on the internet, or you're just loading into a car or something like that. So Birdload is the website, and we're not gonna go to the web. We're gonna go to their Twitter, and I found this tweet. Right, it's a screenshot. It says received the money. You see, this is $83,000, over 83. Oh, wait, no, it's not thousand, but this is the money. You see this? Look at that. Birdload Ltd. Payment received. Paid by Birdload Ltd. Transaction. This is a real PayPal account. Okay, Birdload, you can go ahead, you can go to their Twitter, you can click the link right here, and basically it's a storage site. So you have files in your computer and you upload them to the cloud server, and what happens is when people download those files, you get a commission off of it. So you know how you go to a used car lot, someone sells you a car for X amount of dollars. Well, the person that sells you the car, put some work in and made an effort. So they're compensated for that effort by getting a kickback percentage of the money that was just put into the business. So they get a commission, right? It's like a service fee or a convenience fee for when you go into a store and you ask for cash back. Sometimes they charge you a convenience fee. It's the exact same thing. So you could be getting thousands of dollars, up to actual thousands of dollars, just by a convenience fee or affiliate marketing. It's kind of what they put it under the umbrella of. File hosting, file sharing, just there's a million different names for it. But what happens is you have a product and you have a file, and the product is a digital product, so it's an ebook, it's a one-pager, it's something that can be downloadable. You have a downloadable something, and you can then upload that to a cloud server like Birdload, and there's a few other ones out there, to a cloud server like Birdload. And after you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to place that download link in a very populated place. Now, what do we talk about? Let's come with some examples. All right. So let's just say you are, what's popular on the internet? Popularity on the internet is health. Health and fitness is always popular. Health and fitness, relationships, the usual things. things that everyone struggle with or, have to deal with. You're going on a diet. So you go to Instagram, you go to Facebook, you go to wherever, and you do the diet thing and you're hashtagging and you're looking up things. What we can do is we could find a document or find a digital download that has to do with that, have an offer attached to it and say, hey, if you download this, then, you'll have the best diet for you. And then once they download it, we get money for that. We don't have to follow through with anything. We just have to put it in the right place. That's it. Okay? So let's look into that. We're going to go to Right Tag. Right Tag is a place where you can find the perfect hashtag for anything. That's actually what it is. And we're going to go up to Right Tag. We're going to go diet. Let's go to diet. I just want to show you something. Hashtag diet. We want to look at this, right? This number. Almost 50,000 people look at the diet hashtag all the time. All the time. Coke, food is millions. We have millions of people looking, thousands of the people looking, all right? What you would then do is you would take these hashtags, the most popular ones you can find. You would have that download link. Now, what's that download link going to be? Well, that download link is going to be an ebook. Yes, I said it, an ebook. The ebook, we can go to a place, get this, freeebooks.net is the name of the place. I kid you not. freeebooks.net. They have ebooks on everything. Absolutely everything. Anything you can imagine you can get an ebook off of. And they're for free. So your offer would then be the free ebook, right? Get a free ebook on the keto diet or the paleo diet, right? And make sure you do all the proper hashtags. You download the book, upload the ebook to Birdload. Then take the file link from Birdload onto social media. Before you do that, you're going to go over here. You're going to check all these hashtags. All right. You're going to check all of them, see which ones work for you, which ones make sense, which ones work best. Because if you put diet in drink, it's not too close. It's there, but it's not there. You know what I mean? Like, it's not something that's too close to what we're actually trying to talk about. You're going to put the link in places where it doesn't necessarily get the attention it deserves, right? It's about putting it right where it needs to be. If you were to do diet, nutrition, right? Keto, food, these are all things that talk to each other and relate to each other. You're going to put all of those hashtags together, okay? Now, let's just go back. You go to the ebook, right? And you can do whatever niche you want. You can do dogs, you can do relationships, you can do like a love ebook, whatever. But you go get an ebook, and then you take that ebook, you upload it to Birdload. And when you upload it to Birdload, you then take the link upload file, you go to Right Tag, put in the appropriate hashtags, whether that be animals, relationships, love, diets, whatever the ebook is about. And then you would take that link paired with some copy. Copy is the words. That's what people use in marketing and things like that. You take the copy and you place that on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, whichever proper social media platform. And then all you have to do, sit back, wait, and collect your money. Now, the only problem with this method is that it takes time and energy. You got to go back, do some research, and that's not, the best way to do it. That's not the best thing we want to do. What we want to do is we want to make money while we're sleeping, while we're not thinking about it, while we're not thinking about making money. So a better option, if you've made it this far in the video, congratulations, because I'm giving you the number one recommendation on me for making money online, and that's going to be the first link in my description. So you're going to go to that link, and then you are going to figure out and see and watch why exactly it's important to start a long-term online business. This is very short-term. This isn't, going to get you rich whatsoever. What you want to do is you want to build a lifestyle for yourself. You want to build a life for yourself professionally and creatively, and give yourself the financial freedom that you deserve. And in order for you to do that, you are going to need to have a long-term online business. So I suggest that you go to the first link in my description. You follow through with that link if you're an entrepreneur and a go-getter and someone who values having their own time and freedom to do the things they love while also making money and providing themselves with the lifestyle they deserve. You want to download that link. So go to the first link in my description. My name is Make Money Malik. I'm here teaching you how to make money online. Be sure to like this video, ring the notification bell, and remember to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace.